Are you wondering how much time does it take to charge a Tesla? This usually depends on your car's battery size, condition, and the type of charging station you use. It also greatly depends on which Tesla model you have. As a Tesla owner, you have multiple charging options to choose from. For details on a Tesla car's charging time, charging options, and other related information, continue watching. So in today's video we will take a look how much time does it take to charge a Tesla. But before that, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. So let's dive into the video. How long does it take to charge a Tesla? In the USA, the average Tesla battery life is nearly 35 to 37 years. This would be nearly 300,000 minus 500,000 miles of battery life. The new models will now have batteries for all its standard range vehicles. Meanwhile, the long-range Tesla vehicles would continue to have nickel cobalt aluminum batteries. Whether these batteries need charging will depend on how and where Tesla is driven. Whereas, a Tesla's recharge time will depend on the battery size and the charging option used. Battery size. Over the years, Tesla has been upgrading its battery size and range. For instance, in 2015, Tesla upgraded its 60 kWh battery to a 70 kWh battery. By the end of 2016, Tesla upgraded to a 100 kWh battery size. In 2019, the battery range was increased to 390 miles of range. Right now, Tesla is increasing the battery range of its Model 3 sedan by nearly 10%. This means that the battery size goes from 50 kWh to a 62.3 kWh size. Charging options for your Tesla. In the USA, every Tesla owner has a number of charging options he or she could use. A Tesla comes with a mobile charging cord, along with 3 different adapters. These 3 adapters are for the at-home charging option. Number 1. The NEMA 5 to 15, which is a standard wall outlet. Number 2. The NEMA 14 to 50, which is a wall outlet that has more power. Number 3. The wall connector that has to be installed to be used. Other than these 3 options, there is supercharging as well. This is the out-of-the-home charging option. Lastly, one can also charge their Tesla with solar-powered panels. Charging time for a Tesla. The 3 charging options that Tesla gives with their car offer different charging durations for different models. The NEMA 5 to 15 Tesla battery charger. The NEMA 5 to 15 is the most time-consuming battery charge option that Tesla offers. It is a 120 volts battery charger for your at-home charging. To use this charger, one needs to plug it into a standard wall outlet of choice. This kind of charging option is mostly used when one has ample time for charging. For example, this would be great for an overnight charge. The NEMA 14 to 50 Tesla battery charger. This kind of Tesla charger essentially needs a 240 volts wall outlet to be plugged into. This Tesla charger is relatively more powerful and faster than the NEMA 5 to 15 Tesla charger. The wall connector Tesla battery charger. The wall connector is the 3rd kind of adapter that comes with a Tesla. This is a connector charging station that can be installed at home with the help of an electrician. It is an upgrade from the other 2 forms of charging adapters. The wall connector charger is a 480 volts charger. It takes relatively less time to charge a Tesla with this charger. The supercharger Tesla battery charger. Tesla superchargers are Tesla car charging stations that are easily available in most areas. With this charging option, one does not have to carry their cord and adapters along while traveling. Rather, these stations enable Tesla drivers to stay longer on the road. It is a high-powered charging option that takes significantly less time to charge all Tesla models. In the USA alone, Tesla has around 908 of these types of supercharging stations. The cost of getting a Tesla car charged at a supercharging station varies according to where the station is. For example, charging a Tesla car in Washington may be as low as $7 US, while the same model if recharged in Hawaii could nearly be for $22 US. Solar charging a Tesla car. Solar energy allows one of the most convenient recharging options. Anything that has a battery can also be charged with solar panels. If one solar panel is 300 watts each, then 10 solar panels would charge up a Tesla. This recharge would allow the car to go for nearly 30 miles. Ideally, to charge a Tesla with solar energy, an inverter must be used. Using an inverter would allow the same charging time as a regular Tesla charger. There are two critical factors that affect the duration of solar charging of Tesla batteries. One is where you live and the other is the time of the day. If you are recharging later in the day, then the sun exposure will be low. Consequently, the recharge would take much longer. Also, recharging cannot be done at night. This method of charging up a Tesla is a much costlier method. The price of the solar panels, the inverter, and other related items could altogether cost $15,000 to $17,000 United States dollars. How to know when a Tesla is fully recharged? The inbuilt system of the Tesla shows you the complete charging status. It shows you how much charging is done and how much is still needed. It shows you the time it would take for the Tesla to recharge completely. It also shows you how much charging you essentially need to get back home. How long does a Tesla battery charging last? In general, a Tesla battery can keep going for 336 miles on one charge. The lowest range that it goes for is 267 miles. While the highest range for a battery to keep going is 405 miles. Tesla's car battery warranty. A Tesla battery's warranty ensures that the battery should last for at least its claimed battery life. The warranty will cover the mileage or the duration the car was driven. The warranty guarantees that the battery will be at its 70% starting capacity when the warranty is up. If the battery capacity is less than 70%, a Tesla owner is eligible for the related replacement or repairs. How to optimize your Tesla battery usage. Purchasing a new battery for your Tesla could be extremely expensive. The price could go from $20,000 United States dollars to nearly $30,000 United States dollars. To avoid having to change batteries, one needs to know how to optimize battery usage. They need to know how to care for a battery while improving the range. Every time one charges their lithium-ion batteries, they lose some of the charging capacity. Meaning, with every recharge, the battery's life naturally depreciates. That's all for today's video. Hope you got some value. If so, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. See you in the next video.